What is edge computing? Hello and welcome to Edge University. I'm Jeffrey Ricker. And today's topic, what is edge computing? For Edge University, that's a pretty significant question, one that we want to nail down right away. And it should be straightforward, but unfortunately, a lot of vendors are adopting the name edge for their products, even when it's not really applicable. And that has created some confusion. We'll try to cut through that confusion. The most basic definition is edge computing is the computing that's not in the cloud or the data center. That's a start, but it leaves a lot of questions. Is my laptop in edge computing? What about my smartphone? What about the Internet of Things? Is the fancy smart thermostat in my house edge? I hear people refer to regional data centers as edge. Is that right? To answer these questions and to differentiate the elements of edge computing, industry has settled on three terms: near edge, far edge, and device edge. Near edge means anything that's using those old 19-inch rack-mounted servers, the kind of things that you see in data centers, the big pizza boxes. So a data closet or a small server room would be considered near edge, and some data centers are branding themselves as near edge. I think the big server companies named it near edge because it's near and dear to their heart. They love their rack-mounted form factors. Device edge, on the other hand, is all those smart things out there. The Internet of Things. Every new piece of equipment has a computer in it. That computer has software. The computers in these things are getting more and more powerful, and the data they generate gets larger and larger, but they are always just one thing. Which brings us to the third type of edge, far edge, or what we refer to here at Edge University as real edge, or simply edge. Far edge is servers that run outside of the data closet or data center as close to the source of the data as possible. They run on factory floors, on the retail shop, or even on ships at sea. Now, you may be asking yourself, but haven't we been running computers in those places forever? What's going on here? Is edge just some kind of branding gimmick? Honestly, for some companies it may be, but the question leads us to a better definition of edge computing. Edge computing is the computing that is not in the cloud or the data center, but is managed and monitored with tools and processes like those used in the cloud and data centers. And that's new. People haven't done that before. Then you may ask yourself, well, why bother? Why not have edge computing at all? Why not just run everything in the cloud? Well, that's the subject for our next lesson. So thank you, and please, for more lessons from Edge University, tune in.